everyone, welcome to the new video with a new chapter, conjunctions. So let's start the chapter. Chapter 18, conjunctions. So in this chapter, you will learn what is a conjunction and use a conjunction. What is a conjunction? Conjunction क्या होता है? A conjunction is a word which joins together two words, groups of words or sentences. तो conjunction जो होता है वो word होता है जो join करता है दो words को, दो sentences को या दो words को और दो sentences के अलावा दो phrases को. Read the following sentences carefully. We have bread and butter for breakfast. He is sad but hopeful. I waited for my friend until he came. She will come either today or tomorrow. So in these sentences, and, but, until and either or join the words the sentences. Hence ये सब होते हैं हमारे conjunctions. Always remember the words which join words, phrases और sentences उनको हम conjunctions कहते हैं. Now use of conjunctions. Conjunctions का use कैसे करते हैं? And मतलब होता है और. Akshat is jumping, Gauri is jumping. तो Akshat and Gauri are jumping. Shopkeeper sells oranges, he sells bananas. तो shopkeeper sells oranges and bananas. फिर आता है but. Bhumi is a girl, Harsh is a boy. Bhumi is a girl but Harsh is a boy. Ice is cold, fire is hot. तो ice is cold but fire is hot. Or otherwise unless. Run fast, you will miss the train. Run fast or you will miss the train. Run fast, otherwise you will miss the train. Unless you run fast, you will miss the train. अगर तुम तेज नहीं भागोगे तो तुम्हारी ट्रेन छूट जाएगी. Because, as, since, so, therefore. Child is crying, he has lost a rupee. अब as the child has lost a rupee, तो he is crying. Since the child has lost a rupee, he is crying. The child is crying because he has lost a rupee. Child has lost a rupee, therefore he is crying. The child has lost a rupee, so he is crying. फिर आता है although, though, still. अब he is very old, he enjoys good health. Although he is very old, yet he enjoys good health. He enjoys very good health, though he is very old. He is very old, still he enjoys good health. फिर आता है yet. He abused me, yet I did not punish him. He is very poor, yet he is humble. Nevertheless. The traveler was tired, nevertheless he continued his journey. He was not sure of his success, nevertheless he took a chance. फिर आता है while. Make hay while the sun shines. उस बीच में जैसे काम कर लिया जाए. The mice will play while the cat is away. For I dislike him for he is a liar. He will succeed for he is hardworking. So or therefore. ऐसा करोगे तो ऐसा होगा. तो we were tired, so we took a taxi. They were found stealing, therefore they were arrested. Now it's time to answer. Join the following sentence को हम and और but से join करेंगे. Shivani bought sweets. She bought biscuits. She did not buy a cake. So here we'll write Shivani bought sweets and biscuits but did not buy a cake. Amit is drawing, Binny is painting, Kathy is doing nothing. So Amit is drawing and Binny is painting. But Kathy is doing nothing. So like this, you have to just add and or but का इसमें हमें use करना है. Now join the following pairs of sentence using because, as, since and so. Ankur is laughing, he has just been told a funny joke. So Ankur is laughing because he has just been told a funny joke. I will not go out to play because I am too tired. Shut all the windows because it is raining or as it is raining. She was talking in a class, she was punished. So she was talking in the class, so she was punished. We stopped writing, our fingers were stiff. We stopped writing as our fingers were stiff or because our fingers were stiff. Now pick out the conjunctions in the following sentence. The sun rose and the fog disappeared. So here it is and. Go for brisk walk if you want to reduce your weight. If she said that she could not win the race. So that. Get your front door repaired lest someone breaks it. Lest. The widow neither wept nor cried. So neither and nor. Now join the following sentences with the suitable conjunctions हमें इसमें लगाने हैं. All his files were corrupted. Virus attacked the system. All his files were corrupted because virus attacked the system. She became a film star. She made a fortune. She became a film star and she made a fortune. He is wise and upright. I want a computer and इसको I want का कर देंगे and a printer. He sat down. He was deadly tired. He sat down because he was deadly tired. So like this, you have to complete the exercises, go through the chapter. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.